Hey friends, it's Shereé, and in today's video, I'm doing an IndieStitch unboxing with you. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning person, thank you so much for your continued support. All right, let's get into it. I just received my November IndieStitch box this week, and I'm really excited about it. This was my birthday week, so it felt like getting a birthday present in the mail, and I could not be more thrilled than I was when I opened the box because it's a really good box. If you're not familiar with IndieStitch, IndieStitch is a monthly sewing subscription service where they send you a garment pattern every month along with fabric and all the notions that you need to complete that garment. Also, they will send you additional sewing goodies and things that you can use to enhance your sewing and just really have a good time with your projects. I have really enjoyed receiving these boxes, and I've been doing unboxings for quite a while now, so there will be a playlist in the information section below so that you can see some of the other items that I have received in previous months. But this one is really good. Last month I mentioned that I really love receiving sewing subscription boxes during the fall and the winter because they just seem like such a great value. The patterns are always for warmer garments, and you also get really nice fabric that would generally cost a lot. So again, we have a new awesome box, and I can't wait to share with you what's in the box. This is the box. It is a beautiful, beautiful box. And when you open it up, right on top we have an information card, and the information card tells you everything that you need to know about what's included in the box. Right on the front, it gives you instructions on how to access the PDF version of the pattern as well as the instructions, and it also gives you a QR code that you can scan that will take you directly to a sew along. This month's box has the Arden pants by Helen's Closet, and there is a picture of a woman modeling the pants right there on front. And I'm really excited about this one. This is a pattern that I like that I did not own, so I'm really eager to sew this up. The next thing that I see in the box is that there is a foldable phone tablet stand, which I think is a really cool thing to include in this sewing subscription. For one reason, if you are a person that doesn't like to waste paper by printing out your instructions, you can easily pull up the PDF version of the instructions for the pattern on your phone or your tablet, place it on this nifty little stand, and read through it as you sew your projects. This is really cool. But also, if you're like me and you binge watch all the Netflix and Hulu and Amazon Prime, it's also kind of nice to have a stand to put your tablet on so that you can watch your shows and your movies while you sew and just go ahead and print out those instructions. That's what I plan to do. So this is really neat that this is included in the box, and I'm really excited to try this out. The next thing that I see in here is actually, it looks like a bonus because it's not on the information sheet. It is a gut-friendly hydration super fruit electrolyte drink mix, and in the flavor is orange mango. Occasionally they will throw in things like this as well as like a tasty treat that you can have while you sew. If you are like me, you power through your projects, and sometimes I forget to drink and eat. So having something that will keep me hydrated next to my sewing machine is really pretty cool. So I'm glad this was included in the box. The next thing that I see here is some elastic, and this looks to be about 1.5 inch wide elastic, and it seems like a good amount of elastic. And there's also another size of elastic that's included as well. And this one is, I believe, 3 inches wide. So you have two different types of elastic, and I believe that is because there are versions of the Arden pants that allow you to put elastic in the waistband as well as in the cuff of the pants should you want to add an elastic cuff to your ankles. So that's really nice that that the elastic is included in here to do that version. Additionally, there is a little baggie here. And this baggie has the thread that matches the fabric in the box. It also has 2 needles, and the needles for this box are 2 flat shank needles that are 7511. And there's two awesome little bodkin tools. Let me open this up so that you can see what these look like. One of which, I actually have one that looks very similar to this, but there's one that is kind of like a unique shape that I have not seen before. So I'm excited to try this bodkin out. I have lots of different types of things that I use to pull elastic through casings, but this in particular tool, I've actually never seen this before, and this is what it looks like. Hopefully you can see that. It has a rounded ball tip on the end, and then it has this loop at the top. I'm really excited to find out how to use this guy, and I can't wait to test it out. The information card says, set your large safety pin inside. This set includes 2 different types of bodkins, catering to a variety of threading needs. Whether it's pulling elastic, ribbon, or cord, these tools make the job straightforward and fuss-free. This is so neat. I really need to figure out how to use this. Now, there is another bodkin tool in here, and it is one that I've used lots before. And this one, it just pinches the elastic right on the tip there, and you just pull it through. So this one I'm familiar with, and I'm just really excited to have some additional bodkin tools in my sewing stash. So that's really cool. Now, I showed you the thread for the fabric that goes in here, and it's this gorgeous denim color. Let me show you the fabric, which is absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful fabric. This is a rayon linen blend. It's 85% viscose, 15% linen. And one of the things I love about IndieStitch is that the fabric comes so nicely packaged, and on the outside there's always a label that tells you not just what the fabric is, but also how to care for the fabric and how much fabric is included. For this particular bundle, it's 3.3 yards of fabric, which I think is a fantastic deal. Let me open it up so that you can see what this gorgeous fabric looks like. And there were several different fabric choices that we could choose from. And I believe there were a total of 6 different fabrics, and I chose this gorgeous denim color because I thought it would go with so many different things in my closet, especially my fall wardrobe that I'm putting together. A really nice pair of pants in this denim colored linen is going to be perfect. It will match with most of the things that I have planned to wear for this fall and early winter. And while you may be thinking, linen for the fall? Yes, linen for all year in my book, okay? I have some beautiful linen pieces that I have been wearing and enjoying this whole time, and I plan to continue to wear them and enjoy them, and I will add this to the rotation, okay? It's a really beautiful, soft, nice quality linen, and I'm really excited to sew up these gorgeous Arden pants out of this fabric. Lastly in the box is the printed copy of the pattern. And this is what it looks like. It is a nice, sturdy, thick paper, which will allow you to be able to reuse it over and over again without it easily tearing, which is something that I really appreciate. And another thing that I like about this printed pattern is that it has information about the pattern printed on the pattern itself. So there are, it looks like 3 different views for the Arden pants. One has elastic at the waist with no waist tie. There is one that has elastic at the waist with a waist tie and a hem cuff. And then the last version, it looks like has a more cropped, smaller amount of elastic in the ankle, along with a drawstring in the waist. So really great versions. I think they all look really lovely. I personally don't have any joggers that are made out of woven fabric, so that could be something to try out. Although I am leaning more towards view A, which is a straight regular hem on the bottom and elastic in the waist. So there you have it, friends. Those were all of the items included in this month's IndieStitch box. I'm really excited about this box. It so far has been such a joy to receive the projects that I have received so far, and I'm really enjoying my subscription. If you are interested in signing up with IndieStitch or learning more information about IndieStitch, there is a link below that you can click on to access their website. Do be advised though that this is an affiliate link, so if you purchase anything using that link, I will get a small commission from your purchase. All money earned from these videos goes back into my channel so that I can continue to create amazing content for you. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, please do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out previously uploaded unboxings in the playlist below. I hope you have a fantastic day and a wonderful week. Talk to you soon. Bye.